What's up, my YouTube friends? I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and I have another killer van to show you guys today. I feel like we haven't been showing you guys nearly enough of just the OG Baja Grocery Getter vans. I know a lot of our van builds, you know, have all kinds of crazy bumpers and everything on there. We're gonna keep this short and simple, guys. I just really love the color of this van. I think that it just looks amazing. This more might be like the money color. I don't know, this thing is awesome. When we jump down in here, let's check out this. First of all, we have a set of method wheels. This just looks amazing. This is a 20-inch method. So we don't run 20s on a lot of vans, and that's why I thought it would be extra special to bring you guys and show you this. So this is gonna be a 285/60/20. This is a Toyo open country. I mean, this thing just looks rad. I like it, definitely a whole bunch. So we did do our Baja Grocery Getter kit on the front of this. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. Smash that subscribe button that's like right there, and a big thumbs up, you know, because you guys like watching our videos. We really appreciate it. And the more thumbs up that you guys give us, it, you know, kind of lets the YouTube gods know that, hey, these things are cool and more people should watch them. So as we jump in here, you're gonna see that we have just our lift coils. We're gonna have our Fox shocks in there, and then our extended radius arms, and that's why you're gonna see that there's so much room right here between the back. Now we do have this wheel slightly turned, but you can see that there is a ton of room there. And you'll see up in the front, we did have to do just a little bit of trimming up there in order to get that to clear. So pretty straightforward. And as Austin goes around to the front, you can check out that Fox steering stabilizer that we also added to the front of this. To, you know, you gotta have that, it's just rad. All right, so back here, just loving these method wheels. These things look amazing. So in the back, we are running our leaf spring in the rear of this to get all the lift out of the back of this. We're not running any blocks. And to finish it off, another set of Fox shocks. So overall, a pretty straightforward, simple kit. This is a unique van. This one all the way actually just got shipped here from Hawaii. So usually they go from from the mainland United States to Hawaii. This one went from Hawaii to here. So something a little bit different. This thing is really cool. And I think what else is neat about this, something just small, if you're thinking about giving your van a little bit of, you know, I like just, you know, they have the black bumpers on here as well. There's not really a bunch of chrome, and I think that that's something that's really inexpensive that you can do to any van and, you know, give it your own personal look. I like the black better than chrome. Just not a big fan of chrome. So that's it, guys. Super short video on this killer Ford E350. Boom, that's it. That's all I got. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. I'll see you guys in the next video.